okay, no matter how you say this, I can't get over this, I can't continue, because this is really exceptional. Probably my first alien sighting, right? That is a crop circle. No trees fell over. It was raining nights and day, you know, the whole night and morning. The only explanation, I said something landed there, a perfect circle, and crushed all the leaves and the stems, and probably took off this morning, or is still there, is invisible mode. It's totally unbelievable that I get a chance to look at this in real life. Hi, morning everyone. I'm out now at the Putrajaya Wetland Park again. This time we're going to try out. I have not vlogged with this yet, right? So I have the XH2 and this is the kit lens 15 to 45. I'm going to vlog with this. We're going to test out the 2x teleconverter on the 200mm EF lens. Okay, so we shall try vlogging with this, and today the whole day I'll be using this setup. It's going to be 400mm f5.6. So we're going to have some fun with this. So hopefully you can see it's bright enough. And then we're at the park. It's raining today, so it's very wet. So we have a lot of action going on there. So let's have vlogging. Let's try with that XH2 with the kit lens 15 to 45. So currently I'm going to vlog with this XH2, and I'm going to, it's not straight, right? Keep an eye on this camera with the Action 3. Okay, just reconfirm my setting. It's 4K 50p, so which is aperture priority, and we'll let the ISO float and the shutter speed float as well. So I fixed the Kelvin. I have a white balance to 5003, same as my bird setting, which is 5003 Kelvin. We're walking under a pass here now. You can see how it looks like, and hopefully the sound is good. I'm using the Action 3 as a backup if the audio is not good, but we are testing it out. That's why we're vlogging with this. And we can see how the stabilization is. I'm holding it by the grip, and oops, there's a truck coming. And I'm not sure how the rolling shutter is. I think my face is, it looks overexposed on the screen, right? So hopefully the exposure will come down. I prefer it to slightly lower expose than overexposed. And hopefully the audio is good enough, right? So we'll be vlogging around this and taking some photos. At the same time, I like this kit lens 15mm, right? And it's wide enough for vlogging, so you hold it up like that. And f3.5 is, to me, is sufficient. I don't need this super blurry bokeh-licious background. It's good enough. There's enough separation, because I'm always out in the wide open. Oh, look at that. All the painted stalks are just there. Let me flip this around. Look at that, all the painted stalks, right? Let's zoom it in. Look at that, all the painted stalks there, hanging around. They don't even care. It's like great place to take photograph, right? And this one's smart guy. Few of them waiting here for some fish to come out. They're doing their fishing, I think. So this just to test out the stabilization. How does it goes? And that's the swallows. So we can see while walking how's the stabilization on. And maybe we should do some rolling shutter tests, okay? These are straight lines, right? Let's roll it and see. This is quite a slow roll. Right, let's do a faster roll. How's the lines? How's the rolling shutter? Okay, let me put it up here so that my head can see it as well. How's the rolling shutter going on? Doesn't look too bad, right? 50p. 50 frames per second rolling shutter seems to be good. I'm pretty surprised the rolling shutter seems to be better than on my photos when I'm taking picture of birds flying past. The video rolling shutter seems to be okay. It's not too bad. Maybe because of my setting 4K 50, so probably they read out enough frames to do the counter the rolling shutter. So not bad for a rolling shutter, right? And I will switch on to the EF200mm with the 2x converter lens. Then we'll shoot some photos and we'll continue vlogging along the way. Backup camera here, and this is gonna be 400mm f5.6. Good for today. There's no sun, so it's rainy, gloomy day. It's been raining from last night to this morning. So let's try this out. Let's switch over to the lens and get some bird shots. Okay, so I changed it to the teleconverter plus the 200mm. Let's grab some pictures of that. There's a pelican with the painted stalks there, and let's try to get a video and a picture as well. We have a look at video because the lens doesn't have any stabilization, so we're just based on the IBIS, and but it's not enough to cover for this 400mm when the lens doesn't have any stabilization. The tracking is bad because if there's so many birds, it's supposed to track the pelican in the center, but it goes on to the back birds instead of the pelican. Right, so you can see tracking is supposed to track the bird, pelican, but it goes on to the back painted stalks, right? And it's jumping everywhere because I don't have lens IS on this. Okay, there's some monkeys up there. Let's see if I can get hold of them. It's Grandpa. You can see them. There they are. Okay, he saw me again. So I'm gonna get out of here because they're gonna come down because this is their turf. I hope they don't block my path coming back again. Okay, no matter how you say this, I can't get over this, I can't continue, because this is really exceptional. Probably my first alien sighting, right? That is a crop circle. No trees fell over. It was raining nights and day, you know, the whole night and morning. The only explanation, I said something landed there. A perfect circle, and crushed all the leaves and the stems, and probably took off this morning, or it's still there, is invisible mode. It's totally unbelievable that I get a chance to look at this in real life. A crop circle. A bird just flew past, so looks like it's no longer here. It probably just stayed overnight during the heavy rain thunderstorm, and it flew off this morning. This is a crop circle, guys. It's in Putrajaya Wetlands Park. I think you guys need to come and have a look. This is going to be a one of a kind picture that you're going to get. Never have I seen before a crop circle in live, in real person. Right? So I can't get this over. So it's going to be a vlogging plus alien conspiracy thing today. So okay, that's how it looks like. Let me zoom in, and you guys can have a closer look. That nothing fell on it. Perfect circle. This is what you call a crop circle. Something landed on it and made this circle and probably flew off. Maybe yesterday was bad heavy rain and the UFO probably needed to land and take a pee, and that's why it's filled with water now. So you guys should come and have a look, right? So don't miss this opportunity. I think you're not going to get this kind of photos anywhere. This is the first time I've even seen it, and I'm going to take lots of photos of this. I don't care. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, that's all folks. Hope you like the pictures and the videos coming out from the kit lens 15 to 45 and the EF200mm with the 2x teleconverter. So and alien conspiracy, right? There are more photos I'm going to take, so I hope you like the photos that I post up, and I'll see you. And do follow me on my Instagram as well if you like. That's normally where I post my photos. And do give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you like aliens, do give me a double thumbs up, right? Okay, share this with your friend if they like aliens.